If you are looking for a reputable hair vendor in Vietnam, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, my name is Lovitto Trend. I live here in Vietnam and I have been working as a hairstylist in Vietnam. So today I'm here in Cake Hair Company to show you one of the best hair factories in Vietnam. So come with me. I have received a lot of questions from friends about what to consider when purchasing hairs from factories in Vietnam. And it is truly saddening to say that some of my friends have encountered problems in dealing with factories, being tricked into buying low quality products or even falling a victim to scams. I have decided to visit one of the most reputable companies in Vietnam, hair company precisely. As you can see, this is still under production, and a lot of my friends from Nigeria country have visited this place. They have tested, now they trusted the company. We deliver and ship all around the world globally. There is something important I have learned in the industry. There are numerous hair companies that aren't actual manufacturers but act as middlemen. As a result, the prices of hair products are often inflated due to the intermediaries. That is why it's absolutely essential for everyone not to only visit the company's office but also tour the factory itself. Go around the factory, get to see where the hair is being produced, get to know what you need to know before choosing a factory. Now on to the next crucial aspect, testing the quality of the hair currently in Vietnam. There are many and a lot of factories that mix Vietnamese hair with hair from other countries like China or India. This results in what is called mixed hair, not true raw hair. So we're gonna show you how quality the hair is. Here is my lighter and the quality here. So we're gonna show you how quality it is and how to know the difference between raw hair and fake hair. Go with me. But here is the key. This test is not just to determine if the hair is raw. They are to assess the quality inside to ensure it meets the highest standard. It is not just about the surface. And remember, if the hair springs back after being twisted, it is not necessarily a sign of raw hair. It is crucial to emphasize that after this test, we can confidently say that K hair utilize 100% raw hair. As you can see, it passes all the tests for quality. Now let's talk about something that set exceptional factories apart: their customer care and warranty policies. It is crucial to collaborate with a factory that values customer relationship and is ready to assist customer whenever issues arise. At K-Hair, they prioritize maintaining strong relationship with their clients and providing unwavering support. Here is something remarkable. If you are a wholesaler and one of your retail customers encounters a problem, K-Hair is there to offer support. Instead of ignoring the issue or shaking responsibility, they stand ready to facilitate exchange and provide support. It is this level of commitment to their partner that truly set K Hair apart from other companies. That is the real deal, my people. And today we have gone around to show you what you need to know when going for quality raw hair in Vietnam. And when it comes to something quality, when it has to do with raw hair, choose K Hair. Go K Hair. For something lasting, for something worth giving, for something worth presentable, choose K Hair Company. That we only stand by you in thin and in fat. Thank you.